If you've seen the Onyx vibration alarm online and you're wondering whether it's actually worth buying in 2026, this review is for you. I've been looking into this product because a lot of people are asking the same question. Is it legit, or is it just another gadget with big promises? The Onyx vibration alarm is basically a silent alarm device. Instead of waking you up with a loud sound, it uses strong vibrations. That makes it useful for heavy sleepers, people who share a room, or anyone who doesn't want to wake up their partner. The first thing I noticed is that the device is very simple to use. You set the time, place it under your pillow or wear it, and it vibrates when the alarm goes off. The vibration is surprisingly strong. For me, it was enough to wake me up without any noise. Battery life is another positive. Many users report that it lasts several days on a single charge, which is convenient if you travel a lot. Now, let's talk about the downsides. The build quality feels decent, but not premium. Also, if you sleep very deeply, you may need to place it closer to your body to feel the vibration clearly. As for the scam question, I couldn't find evidence that the product is fake. It appears to be a real device that does what it claims, provide a vibrating alarm. The bigger concern is whether it works well enough for your sleeping habits. So, is the Onyx vibration alarm worth buying in 2026? I'd say yes, for the right person. If you want a quiet alarm and hate loud wake-up sounds, it's a useful gadget. But if you expect luxury quality or guaranteed results for every type of sleeper, you might be disappointed.